this channel is changing. I've realized that I haven't been consistent. Keep posting content that has no clear direction. Today, I'll be sharing a major shift of this channel, and it's going to be a major in my life as well, and what you should be expecting from this channel moving forward. The roadmap, what you will learn on this channel from now onward. How does this journey started? What is this channel is all about? What I've been learning so far that has made me to start journalizing this journey. Recently, a friend of mine introduced me to Forex trading. I started doing a lot of research to see if this is right fit for me, spending hours on ChatGPT, YouTube videos, Google to understand the basic of Forex trading. I want to be clear, I am still in a very early in this process, but I had some wins and I definitely had some losses. This is still a learning curve for me, but I am committed to this process. Moving forward, this is a journey-based channel. I will be documenting my progress from the trade that I take, the mistake that I make, and the psychology behind every of my decisions. But let me be honest with you. I am not a Forex guru right now. I am not promising you a quick money or a get-rich-quick scheme. I am a student in a real time, learning with my own little capital, and I am not here to sell you any unrealistic dream, but rather I am here to show you the reality of what it takes to learn a new skills. Disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. This video are for educational and documentary purpose only. Trading involves significant risk. Trade the money you can afford to lose. The biggest takeaway so far hasn't been about the profit, but it's been the lesson I've learned in this journey, like discipline, patience, mindset. Trading forces you to look at your habits. I have realized that I want to journey this entire process on this channel by sharing the raw reality as it happens. This is a new chapter. No more filter highlights, just the raw process. If you subscribe for my old content and this new direction isn't for you, I completely understand. No hard feelings at all. If you choose to unsubscribe, I truly appreciate your support you have given me to this point. But if you are here for true accountability, transparency, and watching a real person navigate from the highs and low of a new skills, I would love you to stay. I'm doing this for my own personal growth. And if sharing this journey helps and motivate you on your own path, that will be a huge bonus. I will see you in the next video.